A ring is made of a wire having a resistance R0 equal to 12 ohm. Find the points A and B as shown in the figure at which a current carrying conductor should be connected so that the resistance R of the sub-circuit between those points is equal to 8 by 3 ohm. A L1 by L2 equal to 5 by 8, B L1 by L2 equal to 1 by 3, C L1 by L2 equal to 3 by 8, and D L1 by L2 equal to 1 by 2. So at points A1 and B, A and B, there is a current carrying conductor connected. So we can approximate this to as a parallel connection. So here we have L1 and here we have L2. Here it is connected by A and here it is connected by B. It is given to us that initially the resistance was 12 ohm, R0 equal to 12 ohm it is given. So if L1 and L2 is the two portions of the wire, then we can consider R1 and R2 as the resistances of the corresponding pieces. So we can write from the first information R1 plus R2 equal to 12 ohm. So because if there is no current carrying conductor connected at these 2 points, then we can say that it was connected in series. L1 and L2 was connected in series. Now it is also given that R of the sub-circuit is equal to 8 by 3 ohm. So that means in this parallel connection, the effective resistance is 8 by 3 ohm. We can write it as R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 equal to 8 by 3 ohm. We can substitute this in this form and we get R1 R2 equal to 32 ohm. 32. Now with this both equation we can find what R1 and R2 is. We know from the algebraic identities R1 minus R2 is equal to root of R1 plus R2 whole square minus 4 R1 R2. Now we can substitute R1 plus R2 and R1 R2 here and we get 12 square minus 4 into 32 whole root, which is 4 ohm. Now we have equations R1 plus R2 is equal to 12 ohm and R1 minus R2 is equal to 4 ohm. With that we can find R1 and R2. We get R1 equal to 4 ohm, R2 equal to 8 ohm. We know the proportionality for resistance and length goes L directly proportional to L, R directly proportional to L. So we have R1 by R2 equal to L1 by L2. So in this case we have L1 by L2 is equal to 4 by 8, which we can simplify it further and we get 1 by 2, which is our option D.